Hey, what's up YouTube? Blue Ram again. Since I posted a video up about the complete teardown of a Glock, I thought about doing another video of a complete teardown of a 1911. As you can see here, I got three 1911s, three different makes and models, different variants. So, trying to get it up to you all, which one you would like to see me do a complete teardown on. Let me start with the very first one on the top, a true 1911. This is a World War I Colt 1911. Go ahead and flip it over real quick. You can see on the side where it says Model 1911 U.S. Army. Low profile sights. And that is a Series 70. And all these guns have been safety checked. This is the original magazine. That gun could only talk. The next 1911 is a Series 80, and this is a Kimber Custom 2. And it has the VZ, I believe they're alien grips, the black. Pretty accurate gun. And then another Series 80. This one is Sig Sauer 1911. It's the XO model. And at the same time it has Sig Sauer's design on the top, unlike your traditional 1911s. So let me know what you guys think. Which gun you want taken completely apart. The difference between the 70 and 80 series is that the 80 series has the firing pin safety. Let me know what you guys want. Please rate, subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys.